Hi, I had a personal session with Mia, and I am very impressed by her Mia Den Haan soul healing and her ability to see and to remove what's been stopping me from living my life in a richer way. In my case, it was stuck emotions from a life-threatening event in my early childhood. And I truly feel my problems with those emotions have cleared now with the soul healing, because this is really going into the core of me. And I think I can go now back to life with renewed interest and create my new life story, because I think this Mia Den Haan soul healing is going to open up new doors for me. Thank you, Mia.